okay, now I have this file, and it's my template, and it has the Civil 3D entities for the sewer network, and already reflected and made data shortcut. I updated the source to be from this file. When I click sewer, which is the same this network, okay, when I click here, I see that the source file is my template. So now everything is fine. I need to prepare the exchange file, which I will use for the clash detection and federated model in Navisworks. To do so, I need to go to my templates. As you see, I will go here, sewer, native, no, it's not here. Sewer, and I will have my native file, sewer native file, same. What I can take is the documentation is the same, no issues. And I will go for my folder sewer. I have my native file, which I will make dref or data reference from this file. I have it open, it's this file, okay. I will make data reference from this file to the exchange model. It will be here. So I will say check documentation, make it exchange. And also it's much better if we put it like the 2D combined X reference. Let's say sewer, and the data which I have in my file is sewer. So the files are early work, so EW. Okay, what is the package? Package 1, area 1 underscore and the day we received the file, because it's early work, let's say 1st of February. Okay, then okay. And what we are going to do is to just come here, sewer, create reference, and we will put, our port list. Okay, and we have our layout, we have our network. Okay, then we will save. I have the exchange file, whatever is updated in the native file. Native file, sewer, storm are reflected in each other. So whatever is updated in sewer and storm, I'm starting solving the clashes and all these issues. And I have this exchange file. I will use it for Navisworks, because if I use the native file, it will show sewer storm together, and I will use the storm file. It will show also sewer storm together. So I need to use this file. It will have only the sewer network. Okay, and I can go back. Then I need to open Navisworks. Okay, new, should say open. Then I will go to my folder, open folder. Surface. I will have my grading surface, and remember to deref all the DWG files. You need to deref DWG files, because whatever it will be updated, it will be in the DWG, it will be updated automatically when you hit the refresh button here, if you made nwc out from the CAD files, then whatever change you make, you need to open the exchange file and make nwc out again. Okay, so open. Okay, now I have my surface. Should open the selection tree, Control F12. Now I have my selection tree, which has the side grading surface. Okay, much better if we just faded this surface so we can see what's under 70%. Now append or Control A, back, back, zero, exchange, then this one. Okay, then yeah, here we go. Now I have my network only COR. Same concept, append, back, back, and I will go for storm, for example. When I make it here, when I prepare the storm and give it the naming convention, I will reflect it, then I will have both. And subsequently I will add zooms, zoom by zoom, zoom by zoom, until I have all the network inside this file. Okay, whatever I'm developing, it will be reflected, and I will change the name. Once I change the name here, it coming from early work to shop drawing, for example, and I will give a new date. I need to swap the file. Let's make an example. Like I already updated, and this file is already synchronized. So what I will do, I will make an archive file. Okay, and whatever happens here, I will just cut and paste here. Yeah, of course it need to be closed. This nervous work file need to be closed, and I will reflect. Sorry, it should be copied. I will go here. Then this one I will update. This one will be ESD. Once I update the working of the native file, for example, it need to be closed also from the Navisworks so I can refresh it. So once I update it, the Navisworks will ask me that this one is missing and I need to replace it. Once I replace it, everything here will be updated. Okay. Okay, now need to make to know how to make a clash matrix, clash detection based on the naming convention, and to list all the utilities here. For that we need to prepare also the storm. So let me prepare the storm very fast. Okay, so I have my storm water network here, and it's an xref. Let's see, it's a dref, sorry, for the native folder, from the native folder. Okay, so I will hit save. Then I will go to my Navisworks, back, storm, exchange. Okay. Yeah. So now I have my storm water network and my